Welcome back to another episode of Driving Production. In today's episode, we're going to be talking with my friend Kyle about his WRX.
Hey guys, my name is Kyle. This is my 2016 Subaru WRX Sport Tech Edition. I've owned it probably for about 2 years now. It's actually probably the longest car I've actually owned. I was kind of looking for something that still had some practicality to it, something I can still use for day-to-day use, but something, you know, that's still fun to drive and a little bit more performance to it that you can you know, just use for fun. Honestly, like one of my favorite things to do when it comes to life is driving. It's just getting out of the house, being able to see the things around you, and this is just one of the ways that it's been the most fun to do that. Ooh, that's a good one. I'd have to say the exhaust system. Like nothing brings a smile to your face more than hearing the crackles and pops off the exhaust. Like all the time. Probably when I wrapped it around, no. Yeah, last winter this baby ended up getting wrapped around a pole, hit some black ice, and ended up spinning out. I was like so close to saving it, but insurance just about had to write it off on the front end when I hit the pole doing like 15 kilometers an hour. I wouldn't say it's the most memorable, but it's the one that I remember the most. Yeah, I guess I'd have to say the most memorable experience I've really had with this car is getting the opportunity to drive with all-wheel drive for the very first time. I've always had front-wheel drive cars, and it was nice to be able to upgrade to something that, you know, it's a little bit more grippy and stuff around the corners, but I think the most memorable experience with it had to be taking out in wintertime for the first time and doing what every Subaru driver loves to do. Find the first parking lot you find and do the donuts you can in it. But I really enjoyed a lot of the stuff that I've done to the car. As far as plans are concerned, as you can see, like my offset isn't exactly perfect on the car, so I'd like to be able to kind of bring the stance out of the car a bit. I'd like to get a proper Pro Tune done too, kind of keep it going for longevity reasons as well and get a little bit more power out of the car. And I had plans actually to wrap the car too. I was thinking going with like a silver, black and purple scheme as well. That's what my wife thought was would be a cool idea. So I'd like to be able to kind of put that into play sometime and just, you know, make it a car that's a little bit different, you know. You see so many of these kind of cars on the road. I mean, you see Subarus everywhere you go. So it's becomes kind of a challenge to kind of make it your own as opposed to what everyone else has. So I have to say, it's just a practical all-wheel drive fun car to mess around with. It doesn't matter what you do with the car. It could be commuting, you're throwing pops and bangs out the exhaust just in traffic to have fun with it, or you're blasting down the highway or going out the countryside with your friends, ripping down the roads too. It handles like everything well, but nothing great. It's like the perfect jack of all trades. If anything else to add about the car, honestly, it's just been a fun car. If you're looking for like a car that's reliable but cheap, easy to use too, but just something that's going to bring a smile to your face and it's not a Civic, I have to say, you got to get a WRX, man. It's just, there's no way about it. It's honestly the best car I've ever had, and I can't see myself getting rid of it.
And that pretty much wraps up the episode for today. I just want to take a few moments to thank my friend Kyle for joining us today and sharing his experience with this car. If you have any suggestions or anything you'd like to see on the channel, let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.